Hello, this is a review of Pecanpi Plus from Orhar Audio DAC board, and today I will say about some technical aspects and later with sound quality with comparisons. And last year I reviewed older DAC board with PCM DAC chips, and here is this board. But this one is a newer board, and it is revision 3. That one I think was one without SPDIF inputs. And so here is we have AKM DAC chip with its delta sigma modulator. Here we see a Crystack clock. It's a very good clock, and many these are current voltage converters with Texas Instrument 1612, and under board there are many op-amps of this type near outputs. We have here SPDIF input. This is very useful and I appreciate, and also a volume control port for connection for port. It is recommended to be 10 kilo ohms, but here I used 50 kilo ohms motorized. I didn't find 10k. It's not as logarithmic as 10k, but it works okay with remote control. You can control easy volume, and also we have here a lot of ceramic capacitor. I mean, this board is implemented very good in terms of engineering. Very short path, small pumps, small capacitors, but other designers like to use electrolytics, for example, but here we have ceramic. Also, so let's talk about sound quality. I mean, comparison with other DACs. So let's talk first with old with comparison with old PCM 1794, and this one with AKM has better resolution. This one you can listen longer with less fatigue, and this has slightly deeper bass. It works very good with busy stuff, better than PCM 1795 4, say, and but that one with PCM, I said this one is better in terms of soundstage depth and position of instrument. I think this is better, and also I gave it to my friend to compare, and he liked more this one, Pecanpi with PCM DAC chip. He likes this more because he listened to voices and instruments, and they have a great texture with this DAC. But for me, I slightly prefer this one with AKM because I listen to electronic music, and I like this here more, a kind of more synthetic sound, and very good resolution, and you can listen it longer, and slightly how to say, a deeper bass, and also more extended highs here is. But let me compare with the topping D90 here. They use also AKM DAC chips. Here we have older chip 4499 EQ, and they are very close in terms of that they have a common color. These DAC chips, they are they slightly kill texture, I think, slightly, and I mean they are polished a little bit, and this and soft. So this is a common thing, and they lack a little bit of texture compared to PCM DAC chips. But what are the differences? Differences are that this one is more extended in highs, but this one has a more lower mid-range accent, and this one is more flat, I mean, in frequency response, and slightly dry, but not in a bad way, and also extended. The bass is more dry, but I think, I mean, not in a bad way, because this one has something fat, something full. For somebody, they like more punch on the lower mids or upper bass here. So I will have another video. I will say about Starkinson. I have a Starkinson, but I will separate, make a separation in another video. And also, what else? So how I connected? I also used with Starkinson amps and other D amps, and with D speakers. The cables, if someone interested, are via blue with LEC audio connectors here. This is linear supply. So another video will talk about Starkinson also, but for conclusion, manufacturer said that this amplifier is DAC is better in all aspects than older one, but here I don't agree. It is good resolution here, but in that one with PCM was better soundstage depth, layering, and instrument position. You can hear center a good center in that DAC, but here not as good on that, and this one don't have texture, as not a good texture, but this is with in my experience with all AKM DAC chips. And also as positive, I think it has a better resolution here, and I can listen it longer than that one. It is softer, in some ways. So that is. So thank you. I think it's the information helps you. Bye bye.